guys, I have a very nice exponential equation here, which is x to the 5 equals 100. So whenever you have a power to power, how would you solve that? So let's check this out. You have to pay attention here. What are we going to do in the first step is, it's very simple. If you remember this, it's very easy for you all to attempt to the next steps. X to the x, I'm going to write it, x to the 5 and put it in a bracket. Here I'm going to write 100. And now what I'm going to do is, on both sides, left hand side and right hand side, I'm going to raise both the terms to the power of 5. 100 to the power of 5. Yes. So this term is actually multiplied to 5. So here what I'm going to do in the next step is, as you know this law, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Now you can even write it like this, a to the power of n whole to the power of m. You can bring it inside. So I'm going to take this 5 inside, x to the power of 5, and then you have this multiplied, x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. Now what we're going to do is, 100 to the power of 5, and 100 to the power of 5 can be written as 10 squared. So we're going to write like that, 10 square whole to the power of 5, and this is x to the 5 times x to the 5. X to the power of 5 brackets, we have x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of, just multiply the powers, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 to the 10s. Now if you see, you have base and exponent both are same, base and exponent both are same, so you can equate them. So we have x to the power of 5 is equal to 10. Now almost you've got to the answer. Now take fifth root on both sides. Yes, to solve, we're going to take fifth root on both sides, so that this fifth root and 5 gets cancelled. So you're left with x is equal to fifth root of 10. And that's it. That's your answer. How simple was that? You found the value of x. If you remember these tricks, you can easily attempt any of the questions like this. So hope you have learned this today. Thank you so much for joining.